Today I'll tell you about a near magical herbal concoction that which if you add in your shampoo, whether it is sulfate free or not, whether it is rich in chemicals or not, it will lose its capacity to harm your hair. So watch the video till the end to see how to make this magical formula and how to use it. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and today we will discuss the winter hair care routine for a longer lustrous hair and reduced hair fall. So first of all, what you have to do is, you see, this starts with oiling. Whether you are using our premium glass bottled oil or you are using our cheap plastic bottled oil, in any case the thing is the oiling should not be done overdone or underdone. If you overdo it, like there are people who are oiling every day and then keeping it for like 2, 3, 4 days a week, that is not good because the oil basically clogs the natural pores of the hair, so it should not be left for long. So the ideal time varies from person to person, but it should be anywhere between 4 hours to 12 hours, not more than 12 hours, not less than 4 hours. You should give it time to go into the roots. Secondly, the frequency. Most people apply oil maybe once a month or maybe never. Either you apply it every day or you do not apply it at all. The frequency of oiling should be between 2 to 3 times during the summer and only 1 to 2 times during the winter. And after oiling, make sure that you get all of the oil out of your hair. It should not be left in your hair to clog the pores. So what I have done, I use this oil applicator bottle. It is a wonderful bottle. This comb basically has small pores, and this head of the applicator can be detached and it can be attached to any of our bottles. Both of the bottles fit well with it. So what you do, you attach it with this bottle and then you apply it on your hair, and the thing is the oil goes directly into your roots. You don't overspill the oil, and secondly the oil reaches the place where it has to reach. Most of the people apply the oil to the whole shaft of the hair, which is not needed. The shaft is basically dead tissue. Oil is needed by the root of the hair, not the shaft of the hair. Okay, so this, make sure that you get our oils and get this free bottle with the oils. So the next thing is, once you apply the oil, now the thing is we have to remove it completely. Now comes the shampooing. The shampooing should not be more than twice a week. Okay, as soon as you apply the oil, it should be taken out within 12 hours minimum. It can be less also, it can be 4 hours also. But the thing is, your shampoo ideally should be sulfate free, paraben free, free of chemicals. But the thing is, even this our shampoo, it is sulfate free, paraben free, free of chemicals. But the thing is, at the end of the day, it is a shampoo, it is a chemical, it is gonna hurt your hair. So we'll not be using the shampoo that lot, and we will not be using it directly on our hair. First of all, we will dilute this shampoo with this herbal concoction. For this magical herbal water, all you need is some tap water and add some curry leaves to it. You can add fresh ones or dried ones, but I am using fresh ones because in the dried ones you have lost most of the water soluble vitamins. Now add some fenugreek seeds, some tea, some coffee, some black seeds also called kalonji, and then add some raw rice, flax seeds and cloves. Add this to your water and boil it, and once it starts boiling, lower the flame and simmer it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the flame and let it cool down. Once cool down, now strain it and put it in your bottles. You can keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 days. So if you make it, make sure that you use fresh raw materials. Otherwise you can buy it from our clinic also. It is a wonderful shampoo neutralizer that neutralizes all the toxins that are present in any shampoo. So basically what you have to do is, before your shower, take 2 tablespoons of whatever shampoo you are using based on the length of your hair basically. Add 100 ml of this herbal water to your shampoo, mix it well and use this mixture to wash your hair to protect it from the harmful chemicals that are present in any shampoo. These herbs in itself are very good for the hair growth, plus they are very good for protecting your hair against the damage that is induced by the chemicals in the shampoo. So thirdly, what you have to do once you have washed your hair, now comes the conditioning. I usually use this apple cider vinegar with rosemary leaves. I have left using any other conditioner. I use this apple cider vinegar with rosemary leaves infused in it. I also have some apple cider vinegar with turmeric infused in it, and the recipes of both of these can be found on our channel. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon right with it to get all these wonderful recipes. You'll get the recipe of the oils, of the shampoos, of the conditioners, and I have also made flaxseed gel. And I think flaxseed gel is a wonderful thing that you can apply on the days that you don't apply oil or anything to your hair. You can apply the flaxseed gel 1 hour before taking your shower. Then you can apply your shampoo and then your conditioner. The thing is, these are mild things free of chemicals, and these give your natural oils of your hair time to work. So this is much needed. Many of the people, they put on chemicals every day of the week. So if you are one of those persons and you are suffering from hair fall, my advice is to stop all chemicals. Every chemical, stop it, and then see what happens. After giving your hair a rest, then start with this regime.
And lastly, about our wonderful hair oil that we made with 10 magical herbs and 14 essential oils and career oils, we have added some homeopathic medicines also to it to make it even more powerful. And these homeopathic drops are time tested. They are wonderful if you are suffering from hair fall. They improve the color of your hair, the length and the volume of your hair. But like all homeopathic drops, these drops are also alcohol based, and alcohol and oil do not mix up. So whenever you get your bottle of this super oil, just mix it, shake it before applying it to your hair. Like, give it a small shake so that the oil and the alcohol drop, they mix up. Then you can apply it to your hair, to the roots of your hair with your applicator, and then wash it off with the shampoo mixed with the herbal water that you just made. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you have any other queries regarding your hair, and let me know if you want me to make other videos regarding hair care. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.